And before we start po, I would like to share something with you. And I will today po is a strengthening day. We will work on our abs. And building strength po is like taking a shower. We have to do it po every day if we can. We have to do it po regularly for it to work. And sometimes po we feel strong already. We feel flexible already and then we stop. And we will lose po the strength, we will lose po the flexibility if we don't maintain it. This is a lifelong commitment po to our body, to ourselves. Always have to work on our body and our health po. So don't give up po on your body, don't give up on your health. Always try your best po. Some days slower, some days po we push a little bit more, but the most important po is we stay consistent. All right. Thank you po for being here. Let's stand up. Hi, Ma'am Car, Ma'am Michelle, Ma'am Tin. We're about to start po. We start easy po. We just arms up and down. Hi, Ma'am Renea. A lot of strong women po in class. Thank you po for joining. Yes. Okay, just like that po. Okay, on the inhale, we look up, palms together, reach as high as you can. On the exhale, we look down, arms down. Yes, easy lang po like this. On the inhale, up, up, up. Tighten up po your abs. You can already start being aware of your abs. Yes, okay. Breathe in, up, up, up. Exhale down with control. Look down. Feel po your neck and shoulders. We coordinate po the head. You look up, feel the neck and shoulders. You look down, relax the neck and shoulders. Good. 5 more po like that. Okay, breathing in and breathing out. 5. Yes, you reach as high as you can po. Your arms are working hard po. Active arms. And 4. 3 more. Belly in and tight. 3. We always start easy po. We start with easy movements, preparing our body. More challenge. Good. Hi po, Ma'am Rosalie. Nice to see you again, ma'am. Okay, 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Last one po. Inhale, arms up, up, up. Interlace po the fingers, palms facing up. And we lift the heels up and down. We keep the abs in and tight po. Heels in, heels up and down. Yes, balance po. Balance on your toes. Alright. We continue po just like that. Of course, we combine po the movements with deep, deep breaths. Don't forget po to breathe. Okay, 6 more. 6. Yes, don't forget po to tighten your abs. And 5. Arms straighter po and reach higher. Good. 4. Yes, arms always up. Heels up and down. Good. 3. 2 more po. 2. And we just hold po, everybody up and hold. Yes, you balance on your toes and you keep reaching up. 5 counts po. 5. And breathe. Focus po on 1 point. 4. Arms closer to your ears. 3. 2 more breaths. 2. And 1. Arms all the way back behind you. Slow po. Slow when you go down. And interlace palms closer to each other. Now po, the neck is quite sensitive. We have to move the head po slowly up and slowly down. Yes, avoid very fast and forceful movement po for your neck. You have to be gentle po with your neck. Breathe in and breathe out. Release all the tension. Good. Just like that po. We continue 3 more. Inhale and exhale. Yes, we focus po on your neck. You look up on the inhale. You look down when you exhale. Yes, you have to give your 100 focus po. Okay, one more. Inhale and exhale. Look in front of you. Hands on your waist. Widen the feet apart. Okay, and big circles po. Hi, Ma'am RM, to the right side. Hip rotations. 5. Yes, let's loosen up po the hips. Let's loosen up the legs. Bigger circles. You have to pay attention po, not only on the movement, but you pay attention on how you feel. Yes, a lot of you po have been sitting down the whole day or a lot of activities po the whole day. So pay attention po on your hips, on your lower back, your legs. 3, quality movements. 2, you have to move forward, side, back, and other side. Good. 2, and now reverse po. 5, and 4. Good job. 3 more. 3, and 2. 1 big circle. Yes, back po to the center. Inhale. And feet together. Inhale, reach up, up, up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale po, hands on your knees. Yes, bend one knee and then the other knee. Pedal po the legs. Yes. Be gentle po with your knees. If you can go deeper po, you can try to touch your ankles or you can try to touch the ground. You have to make sure po you don't have vertigo as you go deep or no back pain. Okay, if my vertigo or back pain, please don't go too deep. Yes. Yes, stay on your knees po if you start feeling pain. Your neck po is active. We are not hanging the legs, the neck. Your neck is long. Yes, good. 3 and 2. One more breath. And 1. Okay, slowly po, we roll up, up, up. Inhale, reach high. We widen po the feet apart sides of the mat. One more breath in. On the exhale po, we spread the arms to the right side. Twist. I know we twist. Yes. Look to the right side. Good. Inhale, we reach up. And exhale, look forward. Exhale, we twist to the opposite side. Good job. Okay, just like that po. Okay, when you twist po, you tighten your abs. Okay, inhale, take your time. Exhale, twist. Yes, we are not rushing po the movement. We make sure every movement is quality and with proper engagement. Yes, that's how we build strength po and that's how we toned our muscle. When the movement po is quality. Okay, keep going. 6 more. 6. Yes, fully engage the abs as you twist. 5. Good job. 4 more. Hi, Ma'am Mode. Abot ka pa, ma'am. Yes. 3 more. 3. And 2. Yes. And last one. Okay, widen po the feet slightly apart. Yes, and we hold po. Hold on one side. Okay, twist and hold. Keep twisting. 5. Yes, you stay active po on your twist. You hold lang po, no extra movement. When we hold po the poses, this give our brain more time to process, to engage the right muscles, and to deepen po the pose. Okay, so focus po on what's happening on your twist. You can deepen if it feels good. 3 more breaths. 3 and 2 Good job. Good twist, everybody. Inhale, reach up, up, up. Tighten your abs. Exhale po, opposite side. Yes. Okay. Feel po your twist, your posture, your abs, strong legs. Feet actively pressing. And you're actively twisting. 4 and 3. 2 more breaths. 2 and 1. Inhale, reach up, up, up. One more breath in. And exhale, hands on your waist. Yes. Feet together po. Feet together. Take a deep breath in. Right foot up. Yes. Point and flex the toes. Point and flex. Yes. Let's warm up on the feet. 3 and 2 and 1. Now, right knee up po and big circles. 5 and 4, 3 and 2. One more breath and 1. Hi po, Ma'am Queenie. Nice to meet you. We reverse po. Focus po ako on Aina. Yeah, Aina po is doing the demo poses. 5, 4, 3, 2, and knee up po to your chest. Grab the right knee with your both hands. Bring it closer and closer to you. Yes, and slow po when we release. Slow with control. Okay, left foot up po. Inhale, point and flex the toes. Warm up po your feet. Stand taller. Yes, belly in and tight. 3, 2, and 1. Left knee up. Even po, rotate the hip. Even po we're rotating the hip, you still tighten your abs. Okay, don't forget po our abs. That's our focus po today. 4, 3, and 2. Breathe. And 1. Reverse. 5 and 4. Yes, 3 more. 3, 2, 1 more breath. And 1. Knee stay up. And we grab po the knee with both hands. Bring it higher. Wow, good job, everybody. Very good balance. Yes, knee closer and closer to your chest. No problem po. If you lose your balance, you just come back up. Yes, 3, 2, slow po when we go back down. Okay, extend po the arms in front of you. Now we will feel po the abs more and more. Heavy weights po on your hands. Imagine lang po. Imagine po the heavy weights in your hands. We lift po the heavy weights and your right knee up. Yes, use po the power of your brain to imagine the weights and the tension, the resistance. Slowly po, we go down, all together down. And then the other side po. Yes, just like that po, we alternate po the knee. Okay, and this even po, simple movement like this, if you do it with resistance, if you do it po with contraction of your muscles, very effective po in building strength and toning your muscles. Yes, we keep going po. 8 more counts. Inhale and exhale. 8. And it's also safe po. Okay, it is effective but also safe. Keep going. 6 more. 6. Yes. And 5. Yes, we are not swinging po. What we want to avoid here is to swing and to use momentum. We want to use po all our strength and control of our muscles, not momentum. Yes. 2 more. 2. Last one po. Okay, everybody hold po, up and hold. Okay, 5 and 4 and 3 and 2. Yes, give your 100% po. Knee higher, closer to your chest. Arms closer to your ears. Yes, good. Reaching up, up, up. And slow po when we go down. We hold po the opposite side. Okay, up, up, up. Yes, knee as high as you can, arms closer to your ears. Reach up. Give your 100% po. 5, 4, breathe. 3, 2, and slow po when you go down. Good job. Okay. Now we bring body. You can rotate the shoulders a little bit. Release po the heaviness. Release the tightness. 3, 2, and 1. Reverse. 3, and 2, and 1. Again po, focus on the quality. We don't have to rush it. Okay, we will extend po the arms to the side. Imagine po again, use the power of your brain to imagine the heavy weights. Yes, contract. And then lift po the right leg up, straight. Yes, inhale. And exhale po all together down. Yes, you have to lift po your maximum. Okay, lift the leg your maximum, the maximum you can, where it's uncomfortable, and slowly down. We don't build strength po when you stay comfortable. You have to feel po a slight discomfort. Okay, when it gets a little heavy. Okay, we keep going po. I count 10. And we keep moving. 9. Breathe in when we lift. And breathe out when you lower. Good. Yes, a little higher po. Yes, keep going. 9 and 8. Good job. Very good form, everybody. Yes, we don't want po to kick. We have to use po our ab strength to lift higher. Yes, when we start kicking po, we use momentum, not the strength in our muscles. Okay? Good. Very good po. And you can pause po a little bit to add more challenge. You will really feel po the burn when you pause. Yes. 5. Yes. Very good po. I can see. I can see po the muscles working. 4. Yes. 3 more. 3. Yes, we are not rounding the back po. We keep the back straight. 2 more. 2. Neck long. Yes, on the last one po, we go up and hold. Everybody up and hold. Stay here po, and we pulse. Now pulse the leg, small movement, keep it straight. 10, 9, 8. Stay strong with me. 6, 5, 4. Shoulder stable. 3, 2, and slow down. Come back down. Okay, this is not easy po, quite challenging. Okay, we try po the opposite side. Okay, up. Yes, feel your strength and we pulse po. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Good job. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, inhale, reach up, up, up. Take a deep breath in. Hands po on your knees. Good. You can stay here po, or you can go to a deep fold. If you know how to do vinyasa po, you go for it. Okay. We stay here. 5. Yes. And 4. Breathing deeper and deeper. 3. And 2. 1. Deep, deep breath. Okay, and we slowly we roll up, up, up. Inhale, palms together. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, release. Good job. Okay, from here po, we spread the arms. One more breath in, tighten your abs. Right knee po to left elbow. Yes, crisscross. Try po to touch. If cannot touch po, no need, you just contract your muscles. And then come back to the center, opposite side. You have to pause po a little bit to contract more. Pause and contract more. And then keep going. Again, sometimes po, if we move in a rush, the muscle po doesn't have time to engage. So focus po on the engagement. Okay, good. Keep going. 8 and 7. Yes, awareness po on your muscles. You have to feel it before you release. Good. I can see po quality movements. Good job, everybody. 6 and 5. Very good. 4 more. And 4. Yes. Last 3. 3 and 2. Last one. Everybody elbow to knee and hold. Yes, any side po is okay. Hold and stabilize po. The reason po why we build abs is not just for aesthetic. We want stability po. Yes, 3 more. 3 and 2 and 1. Inhale, back to the center. Take a deep breath in and exhale po. Opposite side. Yes. Okay, good job. Yes. Try po to find more stability, more balance. Good. 4. You got it po. You got it. 3 and 2. 1 deep breath and release. Good job. Inhale, reach high. Palms together as high as you can. Belly in. And exhale po, hands on your knees. You can fold deeper or you add a vinyasa. Breathe here. 5 and 4. Yes. And if you're doing the vinyasa sequence po, no rush. You take your time. If you don't know how to do it yet, don't worry po. I will teach it to you later. 3 and 2 and 1. Okay, slowly we roll up, up, up. Palms together. Take a deep breath in and exhale down. Okay, good job, everybody. We start po again with the arms up, feet together. Arms up, reach as high as you can. Tighten your abs. We lift po the right leg up straight and we try po to touch the fingertips under the leg. Yes, under the leg, Aina. Yes. Fingertips touching po. Try to not touch the leg. Okay, up. If you touch po, no problem. Focus po on the engagement of your abs. Exhale, other side. Good. Inhale. We have to reach up po to lengthen. And you feel po your abs engaging as you reach up. Inhale, reach up, and then exhale. You circle the arms and touch your fingers. Yes. Our starting position po is arms up. Yes, good. Yes, Ma'am Kay. Very good, Ma'am Kay. Good job po, Ma'am Car. Ma'am Jennifer. I can see very smooth movement po. That's it, Ma'am Ruby. Okay, 6 and 5. Beautiful, Ma'am Mode. Focusing on the quality. That's it po. Okay. 3 more. 3. Yes. Last 2. 2. Yes, Maman. Very good. I can see po the abs getting more toned. Okay, last one. Everybody, we carry po our leg. Okay, carry one leg, any side po is okay. Yes, back straighter. Yes. In the beginning po, it will feel heavy, but later on po, it will feel lighter and lighter. Hold po. Carry your leg and hold. Yes. Straighter legs, straighter posture. 5. Yes, we hold po. We hold. 4. 3 more. 3. And 2. Yes. Last one po. And 1. Inhale, reach up. Tighten po your abs. Exhale, we hold po. Other side. Other side and hold. Yes. Look at one point and breathe. 5 and 4. Feel po the weight of your legs. 3 and 2. One more breath. And 1. Good job. Inhale. Reach as high as you can. Exhale. Hands on your knees. Okay, you can stay here po on halfway fold or deep fold or vinyasa. Okay, careful po. You have to listen to your body. If pagod na po, you can take a break. You can drink some water. Yes. Very common po mapagod or mahilo. So you have to drink some water po. 3. Yes, Ma'am Renea. Good job. 2 more. 2. 1. Deep, deep breath. And slowly po, we roll up, up, up. Yes, reach high. Take a deep breath in. And exhale down. Okay, good job everybody. Okay, hands on your waist po. Feet mat size apart. Yes. Take a deep breath in. Yes, we slow down a little bit po. Calm your breath. Exhale. We lean forward. Keep the back straight. Posture straight po. Yes. Okay, just like that po. We go 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. Belly in and tight as you lean forward. Yes. Very good po. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Okay, stay there po. We try po to touch the ground. Yes, if you cannot touch the ground yet po, you go wider on your feet or you bend the knees slightly. Yes, you can bend the knees slightly po, no problem. Now, right hand po, go to the middle and your left hand open to the left side. Yes, reach up and tighten your abs. Okay, come back po to the center. Inhale. And exhale, opposite side. Yes, focus po on your abs. Feel the twist. Twisting, yes, keep going. The twisting poses po, we have many twisting poses po in yoga. Very good po for our digestion, for spine mobility. And if we focus po on our abs, very effective din po in toning our muscles. Yes. Okay. Good job, everybody. 6 and 5. Yes, take your time. No rush. 4 and 3 and 2. On the last one po, we hold. Any side po is okay. Yes. One hand reaching higher and higher. Opening the chest more. And tighten your abs. 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Inhale back to the center. Exhale opposite side. Okay, 5, and 4, 3, and 2. One more breath. And 1. Slowly center. Inhale, hands on your knees. Look forward po and back straighter. Yes, you can stay here po. And you can protect, if you have lower back pain, protect your lower back by staying here. If wala naman pong pain or vertigo, you go to a deep wide-legged fold, head lowering down. You can grab the ankles po and head go down. Yes. Okay. You can also use arm strength to go a little deeper. Elbows bend po to the side. Yes. 5 and 4. Good job. 3. Yes, beautiful fold po. Ma'am Car. Ma'am Jennifer. Yes, beautiful fold po, Ma'am Joanne. One deep breath. Yes, Ma'am Kay. We tighten po the abs as a support when we roll up. Slowly po, roll up, up, up. Yes, palms together. Take a deep breath in and exhale down. Okay, we join po the legs together. Okay, extend the arms in front of you and we rotate po the wrists. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep, deep breath and reverse. Yes, we prepare po our hands. 5. Breathe po. Calm the breaths. 4, 3, 2, 1 more breath. And then feet together. Inhale, reach up, up, up. 1 more breath in. And exhale, touch po the ground. And we go down po on the mat. We go to table pose. Okay, step back and lower the knees down. Yes, we are now in table po. Your knees apart, hands shoulder width apart. On the inhale po, we look up and arch. Feel your spine. On the exhale po, chin to your chest, round up. Look at your belly button, strong press on the ground. Yes, we keep going po like that. 5 more counts. 5 and 4. Yes, use po your fingers. You have to press your fingertips to not put too much tension on the wrist. Yes, 3 more. And 3. Last 2. 2. On the last one po, we look at our belly button. We stay in cat pose. This is cat pose po. Yes. Keep rounding the spine and bring the belly in as you can. Contract po your abdominal muscles. And we stay here. 5 and 4 and 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Deep, deep breath. And from here po, back straight. If you have wrist pain po, option po for you is to lower on your forearms, elbows down. Yes, if wala naman pong wrist pain, you keep the arms straight, no problem. Okay, we round po the spine a little bit. Tighten your abs. Yes, look between your hands. Tuck the toes. And we float po the knees in bear plank. Okay, just a few centimeters po off the ground. Knees slightly forward, Ma'am Mildred. Yes, knees po too far. Yes, we go up and down po like that. Okay, your knees po aligned with the hips. Good. Very good, everybody. Keep going po. Yes, Ma'am Ruby. That's good po. You have to use po your abs when you lift. Okay, you tighten your abs and lift with your abs. Good. 5 more. 5 and 4. Yes, very gentle po when you go down. Very soft, like without weight when you go down on the mat. Yes, 3 and 2. And last one po, we just hold. Okay, everybody keep the abs in and tight hold. Float po your knees. Yes. Feel your strength. Your body getting stronger and stronger. Yes, 3 more breaths. 3, 2, and 1. And now we all rest po in child's pose. If my vertigo po, you have to sit up and drink water. Okay, very good, everybody. I can see po, very good form, good endurance, really strong movements. Okay, we take calm and deep breaths here. Know that resting po is part of the practice. We need to gain our energy back po. So we maintain po the quality of our movements. 3 more breaths. 3 and 2. 1 deep breath. And then we will practice po our forearm plank. Aina po will demo for us how to do forearm plank properly. So forearm plank po is on our forearms with the elbows down. Yes, this is quite good po. Her hips a little bit too high, but it's okay po to be higher than lower. When your hips po are high, you put more weight on your shoulder, which is not a problem po. That means your shoulder will just get more stronger than your abs. But what we want to avoid po is to bring the hips too low. That's not good po for your lower back. And now you step the feet back and you sink your hips. Yes, sink the hips down. And yes, this is not a good form po. Sometimes po it can be lower than this and you will start feeling it po in your lower back. So don't bring the hips too low. Just align po with your shoulders. Okay, now if you want more challenge po, 1 foot up at a time. 1 foot up and then down. If you want to go down, you go down po with your knees down. Not hips down, knees down. Ay not bend the knees. Yes, this is how you go down po. You don't sink the hips. You have to lower the knees po. Okay, everybody, you can hold po 10 counts, 5 counts. Take a break if you need to. Okay, I count 20 po and you can hold. Okay, you can take a break by lowering the knees down. 18, 17, we keep going po. 16, 15, 14, 13, yes, 12, 11, 10, 9, stay strong po. 8, 7, legs not too high. 5, 4, yes, Mama, yeah, Mama, stay strong po. 3, 2, and 1. Knees down po, knees down. And relax, child's pose. Good job. The forearm plank po is very challenging. So, no worries po today. A little bit heavy. But tomorrow po, you will be stronger and it will be easier. Okay, relax po. Breathe in and breathe out. Yes, we need to practice po our planks in yoga because this is a preparation po for many poses. If you want to try po more adventurous poses, we need to start po from plank. Okay, we take 3 more breaths. 3 and 2. 1 last breath. And we come back po to table pose. As from table pose po, we go to down dog. Okay, from downward facing dog, Aina. Down dog, hips up. Hips up. Yes, legs straight. Yes, down dog. This is down dog po. We step forward on top of the mat. Yes, inhale. Step forward, Aina. Step forward on top of the mat. Yes. Inhale, hands on your knees or shins. Yes, you can stay here po or fold. Yes, 3 more breaths. 3 and 2. And we roll up. Inhale, palms together. And exhale, hands on your waist. Okay, we do some balancing poses po. Very effective in engaging our abs. We go warrior three, Aina. Inhale, right knee to your chest. Breathe in. Yes. Right knee up to your chest. Right knee up to your chest. Hands on your waist. Hands on your waist. Yes. Take a deep breath in po. Spread the arms. And then exhale, lean forward and right leg back. Yes. Okay, we activate po. Activate the legs, activate the abs. And then come back to the center. Stand tall. And lower po the knee down, lower the foot down, other side. Just 3 times po on each side. Inhale and exhale. Good. Tighten po the abs. Yes. Maintain po your balance. Good job. Yes. If you lose your balance po, no problem. You come back up. Yes. Okay. Last 2 po on each side. Inhale. Knee up. Exhale. Lean forward. Yes. Slow movement po. If you are starting to lose your balance, you move a little slower. A little slower po. Good. Now, other side. Inhale. And exhale. Very good, everybody. On the last one po, we will hold. You can hold po any side. Okay. Now, everybody hold 5 and 4, 3. Good job. 2 and 1. Okay, back to the center po. Inhale. Other knee up. Exhale. Forward and hold. Yes, 5 and 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, back to the center and release. Now, one more exercise po before we slow down. Widen po the legs straight, legs apart, wider than the mat. Yes, transitioning po to side lunge. Yes, extend po your arms. Yes, strong arms, clasp the hands. Your feet po in V stance. You bring the feet slightly out. Yes. On the exhale po, we bend the right knee to the right side lunge. If my knee pain po, don't go deep. Yes, we are not leaning too forward. We keep the posture straight po. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, tighten po your abs and twist to the left side. Yes. Keep the legs straight po. We are not doing the side lunge po on the opposite side. We twist. Okay, back to the center po. 3 times on each side. Exhale, side lunge. Yes. Tighten po your abs. Back to the center. Tighten your abs and twist to the left side. Yes. Keep the abs strong po. Last one. Inhale, center. Exhale, side lunge and hold. Yes. If wala pong knee pain, you can go deep on your side lunge. Yes. Aina po is going very deep. Yes. You don't have to copy her po if you have knee pain. 5 and 4. Hold po the side lunge. 3, 2, and up, up, up. Inhale. And exhale po, we hold the twist. You keep the abs tight. Yes, belly in. 3, 2, and 1. Back po to the center. We go side lunge on the opposite side. Okay, just 3 times po. 3, and back up. Good. Very good, Ma'am Mildred. Last twist po. Last 2. Inhale. Center, exhale. Side lunge. Careful po. Good. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Okay. Last one po. Inhale. Exhale, hold your side lunge. Yes, 5 and 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Back to the center, twist to the right side, and hold. Look to the right paw. 3, and 2, and 1. Inhale back to the center, reach up, feet together. Exhale, paw, we fold, we touch the ground or we touch the knees. If you want to go to your vinyasa paw, you go for it. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we all rest in child's pose po. Very strong, ladies. Good job. Relax po. Breathing in and breathing out. 3 more breaths. 3, and 2. 1 last breath. And 1. Now everybody, we sit up. Okay, we extend po the legs in front of us. Shake it off. Point and flex. Yes, point and flex. Yes, feel po your feet, your legs. 3, we were standing po for quite a long time. So it's common po to feel tiredness around your legs. 2 more. 2, and 1. Now bend the knees. Yes, we will transition po to boat pose. Knees a bit more generously bent, Aina. Bend more. Yes. Grab the side of your thighs. And we float po the feet. Yes. You can hold here po. Grab your thighs and support your thighs. Or next level po is extend the arms. And you keep the abs tight. Extend po in front of you. In front of you. Yes. And next level po is legs straight. Very challenging po to straighten the legs. If you cannot straighten, slightly bend po is okay. Yes. Chin up po and lift the chest. 5, 4, 3, yes, 2, 1 more breath, and 1. Okay. Now po, we will relax. Now we will lie down po, and as we lie down, you listen po to my voice. Okay. Hug the knees to your chest. And rock yourself gently side to side. Breathe in, breathe out. Good job, everybody. 5, and 4. 3 more breaths. 3, 2, and 1. Now we go po to windshield wipers. Widen the feet apart on the mat. Knees bent. Knees are bent po. Arms wide spread. And like the motion po of windshield wipers, we bring the knees side to side. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Okay. Slow and gentle po. This is the part po where we release all the stress. Where we prepare our body for a good night's sleep. Allow your body po to slow down. Allow the stress to leave your body. And let your body absorb all the benefits of today's session. 3 more breaths. 3, 2, and 1. Grab po the right knee to your chest, left leg straight, and ankle rotation po. Rotate the right ankle, release the stress around your foot. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, inhale here po. Exhale, right knee, go all the way to the left side for a twist and relax. We stay here po a bit longer to allow the body to relax more. Your shoulders relaxed, your back relaxed, you're breathing deeper, but at the same time calmer. Knee to the opposite side po, Ma'am Ruby, for a twist. Right knee to the left side. Yes. Try to let go po and surrender. Know that you worked hard, you gave your best, you showed up po kahit mahirap. That's more than enough po. And I'm proud of you. I hope you're proud of yourself po. Today is not easy. A lot of movements po are very challenging, pero kinaya po. Good work, great work everybody. 3 more breaths. 3, 2, 1 more breath. And come back po to the center. Hug the knees tighter. Both knees back to your chest. 1 full breath in. Your left leg po on the ground. Right leg on the ground. Left knee to your chest. And ankle rotation on the left side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale here. And left knee go all the way to the right side and twist. Notice po the sensations of the twist. Slowing down po is part of the practice. A lot of us po are trained to be productive, trained to always work hard. And sometimes po we feel guilty when we slow down. But I would like to remind you po, slowing down po is necessary for us to heal and recharge. 5 more breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 more breaths. 2, And one. Inhale back to the center. Hug the knees one last time. One more breath in. Now po, we will rest and heel in a reclined butterfly. Talampakan po together, feet on the ground, knees out to the sides. You close your eyes po and allow the hips to open and relax. Feel the feet po touching each other. Feel your hips more relaxed. And feel the body healing from the inside. Allow your body to be soft and calm. Three more breaths. Very slow and gentle, we bring the knees back together. One hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. Our last pose po, Shavasana. And in Shavasana po, remind yourself that sometimes all we have to do is breathe and observe. Especially po if we know that we already did our best, we already worked hard. The last thing po we can do is breathe and observe. Slowly po, we let go of the hands beside us. We move the fingers very gently, move the toes, slowly move the head side to side. And then arms up over the head, we end po with a big stretch. Let's feel our strength from the inside. Bend the left knee and turn to the right side. One more breath and we sit up. Alright, good job everybody. You're here po from the beginning till the end. I'm proud of you. Shoulders back and relax. Hi Mom Rosalie and daughter. Okay, we rub po our hands. Hi Mom Renea and doggy. Feel po the warmth and massage po your wrists. Massage po your arms. Massage your shoulders. Massage your neck. And before po we end our call, we will take a quick selfie. Now everybody smile po. 1, 2, and 3. Hi, Ma'am Abigail. Last one po. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you so much po.